Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another surprise possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more possible BoxyCharm future spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Tirza Umana. I always hope I say that right. Anyways, Tirza says, thank you for all the videos, girl. Well, Tirza, honey, you are more than welcome. I wouldn't know what to do if I didn't have these videos to do. I'd probably go nuts, be climbing the walls, be doing all kinds of stuff. Crazy. I'd be in a crazy house. But I really appreciate you having your bell set and always coming and watching my videos, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put a 5-second timer up. That gives you enough time. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You'll also see a little red heart. It's going to turn blue for about a half of a second after you hit the subscribe button, and it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So let's go ahead and do that. And welcome to the family. Was that so hard, guys? Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So, Joe posted this, of course, to his Instagram photo, and you see what's there in the background. So again, this is a possible future spoiler. If you can't tell what that item is, that is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Moisturizer. It's got pineapple enzymes, all kinds of good stuff in it. I love anything Marc Jacobs, so I'm excited. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this item. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Dakota Duncan. Dakota says, you're my absolute favorite. I love your voice, saying hello all the way from North Carolina here. Well, Dakota, honey, I'm not far from you, honey. Well, I'm in Ohio now, but I'm from South Carolina, so I know where you're at, girl. It's a really nice place, too, Dakota, and I really appreciate you watching my videos, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube takes my subscribers and tells me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.